back to another video.
Here for this because...
Hi guys. Hold on, let me see what the screen looks like. Stop. So hey. Okay. So more, come here. So I think it's good filming.
No, I want to film myself.
We gotta film it together.
Yeah, but I...
Oh, get the phone stand. Yes. Okay. I just want to make sure I didn't end it. No, I didn't. Okay. More, you put it the right way.
Anyways, guys.
So, wait, can they even see me?
Here, let me check.
Can they even see me at all?
Well, they can't see me either, so... Yeah, they can't see you at all. Here, just wait.
Huh. Back to there. That will probably be good.
I'm not showing you too much. Okay, that's good. I'm not sure if you guys,
Sorry, but
I'm not sure if you guys can see me or not, but hi.
so
Wait, let me just put this phone on.
we got two.
Okay.
Are you kidding me right now? I literally just took a shower. Whatever.
I'm done.
Okay. This is really big news.
Yes. I said in the description.
Now, we're not gonna say it yet. First of all, now let's get to the more fun part.
Yeah. So we said that. I said that in the last video. It was because it was like.
Arr, I'm a pirate.
Huh?
R.
It's not even what pirates look like.
I know, but it says R, which is what a pirate says.
Okay.
Whatever. Let's get started with the video.
But yeah. Anyways, what we're talking about here. So in the last video, I said this might be the reason why it was such a beautiful sunset in the last video. This might. For me, it was just a theory. You just have to check the description for it. But I've been talking about this for a while now. Actually, no, I think I just mentioned in the last video, but I might have done it before. Now, here is something I have to tell you. So, on Wednesday, right? So,
We gotta tell this together. But first, before that, we're gonna go to tomorrow because that's sooner. Now, for all of you Adopt Me lovers, okay?
Yes.
For all of you Adopt Me lovers,
just check if it's showing you.
if you want to know,
Yeah, I don't think it showed me at all for the
okay, whatever. Okay, but
Okay.
so basically,
That might be okay.
Adopt Me. You know how they have their Christmas update?
That's
Tomorrow, Tuesday, December 15th, 2020, the Christmas pets and all of the rest of the Christmas update will be coming. So you better stay tuned for that. And you better get Robux. I'm
yeah.
50.
December 1st wasn't actually the update. It was just like the beginning to like look frosty and stuff like it said. Now, this is the actual update.
This is the big flipping news for real life.
And it's going to be big because this is the first Christmas update in Roblox that we've ever been. And
Yeah,
it's almost near my 1 year anniversary in Roblox, which will be on January 11th. Anyways, now to the actual big news. So, on Wednesday, it's going to be snow. Okay, cool, you might say. That's not the first snow of the year, though. It snowed on Wednesday, even though it didn't really stick. And I think it snowed today a little bit. I don't know. But there's not just going to be any snow on Wednesday. Say with me, Noah. There's going to be 6 to 10 inches.
Inches of snow.
Did you just say 6 to 10 feet?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the snow is going to cover my face.
Whoopsies.
It's going to be like near blizzard, and I'm not joking. I mean, there's a chance it'll be just like 3 to 6 inches too. Maybe it won't even snow at all. Who knows? But that's what it is now, and it might say that from now on. Who knows? I'm not sure if it's saying that there's less snow than before or more snow than before, but we'll see. But there was also this weather alert for like the areas around us. What are you doing? Yeah. So what it said was heavy snow possible. What are you doing?
Something.
Okay. Accumulations of 12 to Please stop. Inches. Yes. 12 to 18. That's a little bit over over a foot. But it was just like, well, I don't really want to show my foot I don't want to really put my foot on the table. So I'll show you the height later. Even though it might not be the exact.
About that.
Yeah, about that. And it's pretty high if you know what I mean. But I don't know, I think this is just some areas, maybe, I don't know. But not only that, it says wind gusts of 45 miles per hour.
Which that basically, guys, goes like this.
What are you doing? Are you okay? Wait, guys, look. Is she okay? I'm not sure she's okay, everyone. Wait, let me see if you can see the entire face. I'm not sure. It might not be high. Sorry if you can't really see her faces most of the time. I'm not sure if the screen's blurry again. But yeah, that's how much 41. It also said that the travel will be extremely difficult or impossible too. Yeah.
Impossible more, not impossible.
I don't know. But kind of goes along because you can't really go anywhere anyways because of the coronavirus. So it's like this. It's snowing so much because it's like it doesn't even matter since we're not even going anywhere. And what?
Snowing letters.
Okay, what are you doing? I have no idea what you've been doing the past few minutes. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much all we gotta say. Now let's get into the actual video. That's just the news. So let's go into the actual video.
Guys. What letter is this even?
I think you ripped it apart or something. Never mind, let's get into this. Okay.
Boots and cats. Chicken nuggets flying like a dino nuggets.
Somewhat
My
blurry.
video hit 40-something views.
So yeah, if this screen's a little blurry, I'm sorry, but
I'm very sorry.
I don't think it's that blurry though.
Guys, listen.
It's just blurry from that.
Listen,
From there.
peoples. My name is Nora.
I think everybody knows that.
Thank you for your time. Goodbye.
Alright, so
And no, just keep them there. Just keep.
what?
I can taste the snow.
But it's not snowing yet.
I can still taste it. I could just feel the coldness.
Can we?
I just had a shake, but.
Can we just do this video? I have nobody. Okay. So what we're doing is we're reacting.
Two butt cheeks.
No, we're going to.
Chicken nuggets.
We're going to see
Two
how.
dino nuggets.
Can they just talk already?
I don't even know what we're doing.
We're.
He didn't tell me what we were doing when this video started.
Yeah, but can they just say it now, and then I'm going to tell you, and then over there I'm going to tell you what I'm doing, what we're doing. So, we're going to see how the Beanie Boos, other toys, and some of our family members react to how much snow there's going to be. So, we're going to even talk to them, or they'll talk themselves, I don't know. But anyways, let's get into it. So, who should we start with?
Mine. Me.
Okay.
What are the questions?
So, and there's only like 1 or 2 questions. So, how do you feel about 6 to 10 inches of snow, possibly 12 to 18 inches of snow coming?
Your breath stinks.
It's not it's not an opinion either.
No, not time.
Okay. What are you doing?
Give me more questions.
Okay.
I do like dino nuggets.
How do you feel like?
Dino nuggets.
How do you think you'll...
Dino nuggets.
Can I just talk? How do you feel?
Your breath stinks.
Okay, you know what? I'm just
No!
How do you think you'll feel like once it happens?
Cold.
How will it also feel like playing it or something?
Cold.
Okay, you know what? No one's out of it. So let's.
We'll feel cold.
Oh, yeah, she is right. She is right. It will feel cold. So she isn't wrong, but whatever. Anyways, moving on to our next person.
This.
Yes, I was actually going to say baby. So let's go. Come. Are you eating that? It's not apple. Get it out of your mouth. Okay, I'm not sure if the viewers want you on my channel anymore because of that. I don't want a girl to eat stickers, okay? Please just make us move on. Please. Can we just please interview baby? Guys, I'm not sure she's okay. Why?
Because I don't want to be filmed anymore.
Okay. Let's just go. Okay, you know what? It's late, so maybe she's out of it a little bit. I don't know. Let's just move on.
After me, why are the
Really? So I gotta go. Okay. Can you turn that off for a second though? Because I'll get copyrighted. Okay, wait, how do I do? Oh no, I just do this. Okay, that was pretty easy. Okay. Oh, when did you get this task? Oh.
That was just our own.
Okay. Well.
Yeah.
Here is a little precious baby.
Known as B.
Aww. But yeah, anyways, Beanie, what is your reaction for 6 to 10 inches of snow? Beanie? Beanie? Hello? Beanie, are you there? Earth to Beanie. Earth to Beanie. Nora, Earth to Beanie. Where's... Ah, Beanie?
Wait.
She's there. I'm not sure if you can see her.
Oh, good,
You can't. Alright, well,
good, good,
Beanie?
good.
Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you feel about 6 to 10 inches of snow?
What's snow?
But the thing that you were happy about running in a year ago.
My pee-pee pad?
Yeah.
No! What the? Ew! Snow! Like the white stuff on the ground that comes in the winter.
What's the winter?
You know what? How do you think it'll feel like? What do you think it'll feel like?
I don't know what snow is.
Oh, you know what? If you don't know, let me just move on to the next one. Alright, moving on, everyone.
They're playing again.
Alright, Twin Ma, how do you feel about 6 to 10 inches of snow?
I'm excited.
And how do you think it'll feel like?
How do I think I'll feel?
No, how do you think it'll feel like? Like, what'll feel?
It's gonna be cold.
Oh, no, it's the same exact thing. I know I can't. We're interviewing the next thing. Next ones have been pretty good, I guess. We're with Nora, but whatever. Moving on to sus. Huh? Oh, sorry, I forgot about Grandma, everyone. Moving on to Grandma. Totally forgot about her. After that, sus, okay? That's just the Among Us character.
He might.
I'm going to do a transformation.
Wait, which Grandma?
Whoa.
Hold on.
Where's the
Okay.
camera?
Okay. Grandma. Oh, by the way, I'm filming this for YouTube, by the way. How do you feel about 6 to 10 inches of snow?
Cold.
Well, how do you feel like do you feel happy or something?
No.
Oh.
I didn't even when I was a little girl. It kept me up 6 feet, 6 stories up.
Oh. Okay then. How do you think it'll feel like?
Now, if I have 6 feet, I don't feel it.
No, not that. Like, it's not 6 feet. It's 6 to 10 inches.
Oh, 6, that's better. I feel I better buy boots.
Mhm.
I have no boots.
Yeah. Nappy next.
Okay. Do I have to say anything more?
Yes.
What do I have to say?
How do you feel about 6 to 10 inches of snow on Wednesday?
Oh, great.
By the way, Nana,
Great.
we're
Great.
filming a YouTube video.
And-
Nana, we're filming a YouTube video.
Yeah, we're filming a
Aunt
YouTube
Vicky
video.
told me we're not going to get 10 inches.
Wait, but we're filming a YouTube video.
Oh, okay.
But yeah.
Nana,
I
isn't
would love to see 10 inches of snow out my window.
And how do you think it'll feel like?
Than when I was a kid. And we got a lot of snow.
Yeah, but how do you think it'll feel like?
like the snow? What do you think the snow will feel like?
The snow is cold and white and beautiful.
Alright, moving on now to Sus. The Among Us character. You didn't know that. Alright, moving on. Took a while. Okay. Intro thing, whatever. Alright. Sus. How do you feel about 6 to 10 inches of snow? Dude, why are you asking me? I've never been in snow because I've been in space my entire life. I've been indoors my entire life. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna put you out there. I actually like a lot of like cheaper. Yeah, but kind of idiot, to be honest. What? Whatever. Feel happy, I guess. I've never seen snow before, really. Because I was just born like a couple of days ago, really. Whatever. How do you think it'll feel like? Mushy and solid? Solid? I don't know, white? Christmassy? I really don't know. Never been in snow before. Whatever. Original Peanut, how do you feel about 6 to 10 inches of snow? I think it'll be really bad. Wait, what? Yeah, I think if we have 6 to 10 inches of snow, it'll be this huge disaster, and we will all die because of it, because there'll be no food, and we'll be trapped under 7 layers of snow. Wow, that's pretty tragic, the way you describe it. Yes, I know, you're supposed to feel upset, because it's a terrible disaster. Okay, try not to make the viewers sad. They love snow, okay? Yeah, you know it's Christmassy, I guess. How do you think the snow, like, what it'll feel like when it snows? Was that Eminem or something? Yeah, it was. Well, I feel like it's going to be like that. A hard shell on my head. It'll just be so hard, just like that other Eminem that fell. I think I should eat it. Okay. I just ate it. But yeah, it'll be disastrous and terrible. Oh, jeez. Whatever. Jeez, that's okay. Not sure about the way you word it. Whatever. Now, let me wake up again.
Wake up!
Are you sleeping?
Yeah, what's wrong?
Oh, I'm filming a YouTube video.
Okay.
How do you feel about 6 to 10 inches of snow?
That's good.
Alright, but how do you really feel like? Like, are you excited or something?
Snow.
Why?
Give you snow.
I know, but why are you sad?
I'm not sure.
Okay, but how do you think the snow will feel like once it comes? Like, what will it feel like?
I feel like can't get anywhere.
Interesting. Different way you word it. Alright, moving on. What should we do next? You want to call?
Is Maddie there?
Oh, you want to call?
Yeah.
Oh, so I was just going to ask you for my YouTube video, though.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wait. Let me give you a call back. Okay. I'll give you a call back.
Yeah, because I'm doing the same thing that it did to you.
Working, which is why
I'm doing the same thing that it did to you earlier.
This is my alternate phone.
Alright, well,
Okay. Wait, which phone is it? That's your
well, let's just do some other ones before Mommy answers.
Wait, no, it's in there, right?
Whatever. Anyways, moving on to some Beanie Boos. This. Which one I show you? Oh, I forgot about T-Bone, but T-Bone's all the way upstairs. Guess we're going upstairs. I'm not sure if I should ask Uncle. I mean, I could. I'll ask him, I guess. Never mind, copyrighted video. I'm filming my YouTube video. I need to ask you one question. Can you just turn it off for a second there?
Sure, buddy.
So, how do you feel
About what?
about 6 to 10 inches of snow?
I have to shovel it.
Okay, but how do you feel about it?
I have to shovel it.
Okay, but how do you think the snow will feel once it comes?
Heavy. Heavy on my shovel.
Well, guess it's a good way to wood it. Shovel. Whatever, moving on to the next one. Oh, there's the other sus. That's the other sus sleeping. So I'm not gonna disturb it. Where's T-Bone though? Oh, here. Alright. So, T-Bone. What do you want now? Haha, noseless. Wait, what did you just say? Oh, nothing. Anyways, how do you feel about 6 to 10 inches of snow? Wait, who said there was going to be 6 to 10 inches of snow? Because I love snow. Oh my god. Yeah, original Peanut said it was terrible. No, it's not. Like, every time it snows, I'm in there. I go like this, and I'm like, in Times Square. Why are you in Times Square? I don't know. It's always colder or something. And why do you think it's always colder? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the lyrics on that song, Jingle Bell Square. That doesn't even mean it's cold though. Yeah, but it's the first year. We're not in the middle of discussing the song Jingle Bell Rock, okay? Ugh, whatever. Anyways, I think it'll be really nice. Well, how do you think you'll feel once it comes? Very heavy and very nice. We could build a snowman. We could like sleigh. It'll be really fun. I'm so excited. Good optimism, T-Bone. Thanks. But still, what did you say about my nose? Nothing. Alright, moving on to a last one. For the heavy snow. My mom. Alright, let's go. Are you still on the call? Okay. Here is the final question.
Okay.
How do you feel about 6 to 10 inches of snow?
I'm excited. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it'll be nice to finally have a reason to be stuck in the house.
Yeah, it's like snowing
Besides
force
COVID.
because we're not even going anywhere.
Exactly.
And how do you think it'll feel once the snow comes down?
Oh, it's going to be quiet and beautiful, like, and clean looking outside. Yeah.
Nice! I never would have put it that way before. I know I'm not. Oh yeah, pretty interesting, I guess. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I have to say in the video, so I think it's time to end it. Yeah. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. Please also subscribe, turn on the notifications. If you don't know how to do that, all you gotta do is make sure to subscribe. And if the reason why you have to subscribe is it'll only make you turn on notifications. Also, and if you don't know, in case the load like is a bell comment and a subscribe button. Also, make sure to like this video. I don't care if you dislike. If you really didn't like this video, find dislike. But I know it's because the whole bunch of friends stay with Beanie. Yeah. Can't wait for the snow. I'm gonna make a huge video about it on Wednesday. Yeah. Oh, and also, I'm still posting. I don't know. That's all I gotta say.